Hey, we're back for more rotations in the coordinate plane. This time, instead of just rotating around the origin, we're going to rotate around other points. But we're still going to rotate. Okay, so last time we spoke, we developed some coordinate rules for rotations in the plane. If we are rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise, which in math is going to be our positive direction, we can just trade the x and the y like this. Let's say that this was 3, 1. Okay, well, this point is -1, +3. Notice that the x and y traded spots, and the new x coordinate changed sign. So we can say it'll be y and then x, and the new x, old y, change sign. Okay. Whether we rotate counterclockwise or clockwise about the origin, 180 degrees, we end up in the same spot. Okay, the x and the y don't change spots, they just change signs. So it's going to be the opposite of our x and the opposite of our y. For 90 degrees clockwise, here's the point 3, 1 again. Let's just say, I don't know, I made that up. Okay, if I rotate it 90 degrees, it's going to be at 1, -3. Okay, the x and the y changed spots, and we made our new y, the old x, negative. So it'll be y -x. Okay, that was a fun little review. Now, this is a pattern, and math people love patterns. So what we're going to do is use this pattern for general points, okay? And we're going to do that by making like a fake origin on our point. It's going to be fun for me. Okay. So we have, for example, when we have this cute little ABC triangle, we have to rotate ABC, triangle ABC, 180 degrees about the origin. Does it matter which way? Nope, because if we go clockwise or counterclockwise, we're going to end up in the same spot for 180 degrees. So take your pick. I'm going to go counterclockwise. It's the same. Okay. Let's put 4, -2 on the picture because that's going to be the center of our rotation. What was that? 4, -2? 4, -2. Okay, 4, -2. Great. Okay, we're going to call this P. Capital P. Okay. We need to make a fake set of axes, okay? So you might notice that on these we don't have like numbers on your axes. It's so that it doesn't get too crowded and gross. So what we're going to do is make a fake set of axes where P is like our origin. So here is our history. Here is our fake y-axis. We don't need to label it. I don't know what to label it. I'll have to look that up and get back to you. Okay. Okay, and there's our fake x-axis. Now, we're going to come up with some fake coordinates for ABC based on P being the origin. It's not, but we're going to treat it like it is. Okay. So, my A coordinate with respect to P is -4, 2. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to scoot this up just a little bit. Sorry. I was thinking I wanted to write them across, but I think I want to stack them instead. So A is at -4, 2. I mean, it's not really, but we're pretending. Okay, B, that is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. -9, 4. Okay, and C is at -7, 0. That's kind of fun. Okay, now we're going to use our rule that we figured out last time to rotate 180 degrees. So the rule says that we just have to change the signs on the X's and the Y's. So we're going to transform this into 4, -2. Transform this one into 4, just kidding, 9, -4. And C turns into 7, 0. Okay, let's plot that. 4, -2. Okay, from your fake origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2. 9, -4. That was A prime. 9, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, -4. That's B prime. C prime is at 7, 0. Drawing your little segment sides. Oh, I don't like how I put the A prime. Okay, so that got our image in the right spot, but we know that the blue coordinates are not the actual coordinates, right? That's just from our fake origin. So we are going to convert those back into the real coordinates from our real origin. Okay, so I should have given myself more room and gone in there. So our actual coordinates for A prime are, good gravy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it was 8, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8 right and down 4. 8, -4. From the actual origin, from this origin. Okay. All right, C prime. I know that's 8. 9, 10, 11, down 2. Oops. I did say C, didn't I? 11, -2. And B prime, sorry that I went out of order. It won't happen yet. That'll be 13, right? 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jeez Louise. Down 6. Okay, so this is the actual coordinates of the actual image. And we got them by using a fake origin. That's kind of fun. All right, let's try another one. Okay, this time we're going 180 degrees. It doesn't matter which way because clockwise or counterclockwise, we use the same rule. We're going to go around the point 3, -2. So 3, -2 is here. We'll call that P. So I'm going to put my fake axes going right through P. Okay, and I'm going to give myself a new set of coordinates for triangle ABC based on my fake origin. So the fake A coordinates are 3, 0. For B, I've got -4 up 3. For C, we've got -4, 0. Okay, if I'm going 180 degrees, my rule says that I just have to change the signs on X and Y. I don't switch their spots. So they're just going to go opposite. So that'll be -3, 0. +4, -3. +4, 0. Okay, that'll give me the points where my image should land. So A is at -3, -3, 0. This is A prime. B is at 4, -3. 4, -3. 3. That's B prime. And C is at 4, 0. From P, my fake origin. That's not right. What did I do? It's A prime that looks messed up. -3, 0. Oh, my A coordinates are wrong. Okay, you're probably sitting here thinking, what is okay, it happens. So I flip-flopped my X and my Y for my A. Okay, so this is important because if this happens to you and your figures after doing a rotation are not congruent, like mine ended up not looking congruent, then your coordinate somewhere got messed up. So look for things you flip-flopped or messed up a sign on. So my initial A coordinate is not 3, 0, it should have been 0, 3. 0, 3. So when I change the signs, it should be 0, -3. 0, -3. Sorry about that, guys. This was the mistake right here. So make sure you change that to what it should be. Otherwise, you'll be as confused as I am. Okay, so A prime actually should be down here at 0, -3. That makes way more sense. All right, connect your dots. Boop, boop, boop. Your vertices. All right, and let's get those into actual real coordinates. Our actual real origin is here. Here's 0, 0. Okay, so I don't want to know what it is from P anymore. I want to know what it is from the actual origin. So A prime is 3 right and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 right, down 5. That's A prime. B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right, down 5. And C prime is also 7 right, only down 2. Okay, so this is our answer. All right. Well, at least you got to see what it looks like when it doesn't go right and like how to find a mistake and fix it. So I knew it would probably not B and C because those looked right. That image of BC, the B prime C prime segment was the same size. I knew it had to be with A because it was so much farther away from the others. So if that helps you, I hope it helps you. Okay. Let's do 90 degrees counterclockwise about 4, 1. Draw in our fake origin at 4, 1. Okay, here's our P. Draw in my fake y-axis, fake x-axis. All right, now I need two things. I need my rule and I need fake coordinates for ABC. So let's start with the rule. The rule is 90 degrees counterclockwise. This is what I'm going to do to my x's and y's. I take my x and my y and I transform them like this. I have to swap their spots. And I have to make the new x value negative. Okay, let's write some points. So A is 2 right, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, negative 5 from my fake origin. Okay, B is 3 left, down 1. Left, 3, down 1. C is good 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left. Let me write that down before I forget. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 7. Okay, those aren't the real coordinates. Those are the fake coordinates from the fake origin. Now we're going to use the transformation rule. So the rule says change the spots for x and y and make the new x negative. So this will be a negative 5 here and a 2 there, but I'm going to change the sign so it turns into a positive 5. Okay, for B, negative 1 here, negative 3 there. Change the sign on the new x, make it positive. Got to go opposite. So I'll have a negative 7 and negative 10. Change the sign on the new x. So my A prime is at 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 up. A prime. New B, my image of B is at 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3. There's my B prime. And C prime will be at 7, negative 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's C prime. I'm regretting where I put the label for B prime. There. That's fun. Okay, now what we have to do is figure out what those points actually are with respect to the origin. Because we don't care anymore about a fake origin that we put in the middle of the graph. We want the real one. So the real one is here. This is 0, 0. So my actual coordinates for A prime are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right and 3 up. for B prime. Where's B prime? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right down 2. For C prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jeez. Okay. They didn't take it easy on us, did they? 11, down 9. Good grief. I didn't get into math to do a lot of counting, guys. Most of math is like avoiding counting, if you think about it. So, not great at counting. I'm not great at counting. All right. Let's do one more. We'll do at least one more. We'll see how we feel. Okay, so I got to make my own graph. Okay, so x is at 0, -1. 0, -1. Y is at 3, 1. Z is at 1, 5. Okay, we have to go 90 degrees counterclockwise about the point 3, 1. So let's connect our segments. Let's put 3, 1 on here. 3, 1. Ooh, that's on Y. So Y is going to be at the center of our rotation. We're kind of going to rotate it counterclockwise around the Y. That'll be fun. And by fun, I mean we won't have to count very big numbers because they're going to be close to the origin. You know how I hate counting. Okay, here we go. We got our fake origin. We got our fake axes. Y is also our P, our center of rotation. Let's remember the rule. So counterclockwise, that takes our X and our Y and transforms them by trading their spots and changing the sign on the new X, the Y value. Let's just do this the same way that we have been doing it. Our X, we don't care about our actual points right now. We care about what our points are with respect to P, our new fake origin. So X is -3, -2. Y is 0, 0. That's fun. And Z is -2, 4. +4. +4. Okay. Now we're going to transform them using our rule. So we're going to change the spots and make the new X the opposite. So the -2 goes here, the -3 goes there, and I'm going to make the -2 positive. Okay, 0, 0, change their spots, LOL, make the 0 negative, LOL, it doesn't change. But we knew that, right? Because we knew we were just going to pivot around our fake origin. Okay, so the -2 and the 4 are going to trade spots. And then we make the 4 negative. Okay, here we go. Let's get our new points. X is going to, now this is with respect to our fake origin, not the actual origin. So it's going to 2, -3. So 2, -3. That's our new x, our x prime. And z is going to -4, -2. There's z prime. Okay, and y, I skipped y because y isn't moving. Y is pivoting. So y and y prime and p are all in the same spot. How's that for confusing? Okay, here's our little triangle. Just went boop, counterclockwise. All right, let's figure out what those points are back in the real world from our real origin. A prime. Oh, it's not A and B, it's X and Y. Okay, back up. X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Okay, so X prime in the real world, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, -2. Y prime in the real world never moved. It's still at 3, 1. Okay, Z prime is at -1, -1. Ta-da! That's it. Okay. If you think you can do your homework now, you don't have to watch the rest of the video. If you want one more example going clockwise, hang in there with me and we'll do one more example. But the rest of you are set free. Okay, RST is at, R is at 0, 1, 0, 1, R. S is at 5, 1, 5, oops, that's 5, 0, 5, 1 is here. S. T is at 2, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's T. Okay, and we're going 90 degrees clockwise about the point 0, 1. So let's put P on here. 0, 1. Oh, that's right on R. That's fun. R is not going to move the whole time. So R is P. And we get to actually use the real y-axis, but we have to put in a fake x-axis. So the fake y-axis and the real y-axis are the same, is what we're saying. Okay, so let's start by saying what these vertices are with respect to our fake origin. Let's go in order. R, S, T. Okay, R got promoted to 0, 0. It's now at the fake origin. S is at 0, 5. T is at 2, 4. Wait, go back to S. I flipped them. It's 5, 0. Sorry, guys. I was like, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. Okay. T is at 2, 4. So, we are going to rotate clockwise, so let's remind ourselves of that rule. X and Y are undergoing the following transformation. We're going to switch their spots, and we're going to make our new Y, our old X, the opposite of what it used to be. So, I don't have to do anything to R because the opposite of 0 is 0. Okay, so swap the 1 and the 5 for S. which is kind of what I started to do anyway, and change the sign on the 5. Swap the 4 and the 2 and make the 2 negative. Okay, that gives us our points for our image from the fake origin. So R prime didn't move, it stays on R. S prime is at 1, -5 from the fake origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's S prime. T prime is at 4, -2 from the fake origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2, T prime. So it just kind of pivoted. It's fun. All right, let's find out what those coordinates are back in the real world. So back in the real world, R prime is 0, 1. We saw that coming. We knew it wasn't going to change. S prime is right 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 1, down 4. And T prime is right 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1. Right 4, down 1. Ta-da! That's the end. We made it.